Hi, my name is Linette Blaszak and I'm your Color Street stylist. I'm going to show you how to use a manicure set of nails to get a pedicure. These tiny strips that are too small for my pinky, I turn them sideways and I'm able to do several toes with them sideways. You peel off the top layer just like normal, peel off the silver backing, and I like to turn it sideways so I have a little bit more grip. Make sure you get a good firm seal on the nail. Use your thumb as your tool to trim off any excess, and then you gently pull off this silver tab on this side. Make sure that you don't have any on top of your cuticle. I'm going to trim that off with my nail. I was able to do 3 toes with 1 strip. I'm using my thumbnail to trim along the side to remove the excess. Then I have my leftover saved from doing these 2 nails, and I am going to put that on a toe. Then I use the biggest nail in the strip to put that on my big toe. If you find that your big toe is too wide, you can always turn the strip sideways. Again, you can trim along the side with your thumbnail as needed. And there you have it. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos.